At certain times of the year, bugs just won't leave us alone. Rain or shine, they are always there. Although harmless, insects can be responsible for epidemics. Dengue, Zika, and chikungunya are just some of the diseases transmitted by insects. We know there are many ways of getting rid of them, and they are super cheap and easy. You don't need insecticides or chemical products to avoid insects at home, and the recipe we will show you now proves it. If you want to drive insects away from your home but still keep your family safe, why not make a homemade citronella repellent? Citronella is similar to lemongrass, but its strong scent is what sets it apart. With antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic, and repellent properties, this plant repels any insect. See how to finally get rid of spiders, cockroaches, ants, mosquitoes, and flies at home. See how to make it. You will need 1/2 cup 70% rubbing alcohol. It needs to be 70%, the ideal concentration to get rid of insects. 1/2 cup white vinegar. Apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar won't work. 3 tablespoons baking soda. 10 tablespoons dish soap, neutral or lemon. 3 to 4 small citronella leaves, preferably fresh. You can buy it at flower shops. 44 ounces water. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Directions: add 10 ounces of water to a pan. Add the citronella leaves and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, turn it off and let it cool. Meanwhile, pour the remaining water into a bucket or basin. Add the rubbing alcohol, vinegar, baking soda, and dish soap. Mix well. Next, add the strained citronella tea and stir a little more. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Store the remaining in a plastic bottle. At night, spray the mixture in the corners of the house and any places where the insects hang. In the morning, you will notice that there are no insects in the room. Besides this recipe, there are some tips to help you keep insects away from your house. The smoke and smell of incenses and candles made with plants or essential oils are helpful against insects. Citronella, lemon, lavender, and citrus fruits are the smells that inhibit flies, mosquitoes, and many other bugs. You can also make a natural orange candle, as we already taught you on the channel. If you want to learn more, click on the suggested link now or at the end of this video. So, what do you think of this recipe? Did you know this homemade bug spray? Try it and share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.